This video will demonstrate the process of rinsing and sanitizing the Bun LCA1 dispenser. This dispenser incorporates a user-selectable rinse reminder feature which displays a warning LED on the front panel when it is time to rinse. Open the dispenser door. Select Rinse and Run on the function switches. Close the dispenser door. Place a container under the dispense nozzle area. Press the dispense switch until the water runs clear or has no concentrate coloring in it. This will take about 10 to 20 seconds. Open the dispenser door. Set the function switch back to normal. To clear the rinse warning, you must hold the dispense switch until the flow stops automatically at 20 seconds. The rinse LED when the rise time has been satisfied. Remove and wash the drip tray and drip tray cover in a mild detergent solution. Rinse thoroughly and then let dry and replace under the dispenser. Wipe splash panel, dispense nozzle, door, and cabinet with a clean damp cloth. Open the dispenser door. Select Prime and Run on the function switches. Remove the connector from the product box. Disassemble or prop open the internal valve to allow free flow of product through the connector. Cutting the fittings from an empty bag makes an excellent free flowing connector for this purpose. Connect the meta fitting to the bib connector. Place the connector into a half-gallon container of warm, soapy tap water at 140 degrees. Place a container under the dispense tip and activate the dispense switch until clean soapy water is dispensed through the dispense tip. Repeat with warm tap water at 140 degrees to rinse the soapy water from the pump tubing. Continue activating the dispense switch until the water is clear and no soapy water is being dispensed. Prepare 1 gallon of sanitizing solution by dissolving 0.42 ounces of K5 sanitizer into 1 gallon of 120-degree water to ensure 100 parts per million of available chlorine. Repeat with the sanitizing solution. Once the sanitizing solution is visible, continue to dispense for 1 minute. Allow the sanitizer to sit for 5 minutes in the tubing. After soaking for 5 minutes, activate the dispense switch a second time for 2 minutes. Place the bib upright into the machine, rotating it into position with the connector facing forward. Locate the bib adapter fitting. Connect the bag connector to the product box. Run the bib adapter to avoid sharp ends in the tubing. Select normal and run on the function switches. Press the dispense switch until concentrate water mixture appears. Continue to dispense at least 12 ounces of concentrate water mixture and then discard. The dispenser is now ready for operation.